Hello, David Misick with Berkshire Hathaway, the Atlas Maverick Group, here with another one, 180 Ormond Drive. Let's go around to the nice backyard to check out Brandon D. Barry's got more details.
Isn't this backyard massive? Mature trees, it's a semi-detached duplex. Why don't you head inside and check that out?
The lovely covered front room, giant closets, open floor plan, fresh coat of paint, 3 bedrooms upstairs with a full bathroom, and of course the legal duplex rental in the basement.
With its own separate entrance, lower floors for a higher ceiling, this turnkey investment property could be yours.
Give us a call today to book a showing.